Alright, here we go, guys. We got a service call. Server room unit not working. There's two server room units here. They don't know which one isn't working. There's one right here, and there's one over there. This one appears to be blowing cold air. This one here is blowing warm air. So obviously it's probably this one. We got two server room controllers here. It's not turning on. No batteries. Go figure. No batteries. Nice. Okay. Batteries. Somebody must have taken them out. I don't know what the hell is going on here. Let's see what we got going on. Alright, let's see if we can find some batteries and come back and continue troubleshooting. Batteries. Let's see what we got here. Nice. No display. Seems like this thing is broken. See what we got here. No display. What's going on here? Alright, I'm going to show you guys a cool trick. Check this out. Alright, so check out this trick. So if we go into our camera and we get into selfie mode, just put brand new batteries in here. Okay, let's see what's happening. If you shine this into the camera like that, you should be able to see that blink. If you don't see that blink, that means that remote control is shot. It's not doing anything. Okay, just a little tip for you guys. Alright, brand new batteries. We're gonna try this one on and off and see what happens. Did you see that? Okay. Just a little tip I learned while troubleshooting these things. I'm going to press it again. You're going to see it blink. Okay, you see that blink in there? That means this control is operational. It does not work. Okay? This is defective, shot, garbage. Brand new batteries. Okay, so let's deal with this one. Temperature up and down. You see that little... Okay, here we go. That's just a little tip for you guys. Alright, let's see what's going on with this. See if we could turn this on and off. There it goes. Okay, 24 degrees Celsius. 24 degrees Celsius. Fuck this Celsius. I like Fahrenheit. Let's hit those two up. Change that to 73. Okay, 73 degrees. Let's see what happens when I turn it off. Off. Okay, so this is in fact controlling this unit. Okay, great. Let's turn it back on. Okay, there it goes. Operation light. Let's make sure we're in cooling. Up there, you see cooling. Okay, and let's drop the temperature on the remote. 72, 71, 70. Alright, I'm going to drop this as low as it goes, and I'm going to check the condenser and see what's going on. Okay, this goes to 60. Okay, 60 degrees. Let's see what we got. All right, let's see what this one's doing here. This one's cooling also. The room temperature is 74 degrees. Let's shine this one up here. $60 degrees, okay? I don't like using one remote for both. I just don't like it. But let's see what we got. We're gonna put this down. What is this? Another remote? Seems like they go through remotes here. Wow. Okay. We're gonna leave this one here, like that. This is already cooling. This one is not cooling. Let's go to the condenser and see what we got. Going into the men's room right now. 1717. All right. I see an air in there, and I see one here. Okay. This one is obviously working. I hear it. Suction line is cold. Good. This one is not running. I don't hear anything. Okay, let's check it out. Here we are. What do you guys think it is? Not working, I don't hear anything. What do you guys think it is? Let's see what we got here. Swap that out. Little light troubleshooting bag. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Just drop that. Cool. First thing to do is check for voltage. No power. No power. Okay. So we got no power at the condensing unit. Is that good or bad? Alright, let's take a look at this real quick. The fan is spinning, no problem. Got that. You got a booster, you got a capacitor, you got a low pressure bypass timer, and you have a low ambient control. Why do we not have power? Something happened here. Something pretty big happened here. Alright, let's confirm that again. No power. No power. Alright, and the contactor is pulled in, as you can see. It's pulled in. So it's calling for cooling, but we have no power. Alright. The best thing we could do is take a look at this compressor. Let's see what we got here. I don't like that. Okay. Uh-oh. What does that mean? Does anybody know what that means? Does anybody know what that means? Have a good day. Compressor grounded. Quick service call. A preliminary test with the meter, and it came back bad to ground. What I like to do is I like to get a second opinion and a third opinion just to confirm. We're going to take this, scratch that up. Okay, land that on there. And this on one of the leads. This is for the younger guys, an M500 made by Subco. We're gonna press that right there. Bad. Okay. We're gonna go over here to the next lead. Bad. Okay, anything below 20 mega ohms, bad. Okay, then we're gonna go to another one here. Bad. Okay, confirms my suspicion with my preliminary meter. All right, grounded. Now, what I like to do is I like to run a test with my insulation tester, and I like to confirm my numbers to see what I got. This just tells me below 20. This one here is actually going to tell me a true number of what I got. Okay, we're going to land that right there. We're going to land this on here. Okay, we're going to turn this on. I'm going to give it a second. Okay, we're going to go to 500 volts DC. We're going to lock it in. Okay, and then we want to test for 1 minute. Lock it and shock it. Okay, it's still shocking right there. 500 volts DC. So far I'm coming back with 0 megs. So what that's telling me is that there's 0 ohms, 0 mega ohms between the windings of the compressor to ground. Completely grounded. Okay, still shocking it. Let's let it run its test, and we'll go to the next lead. Remember guys, the Subco M500 is only telling me below 20 megs. Doesn't really give me a number, just gives me a light. This one here gives me a full number, 0 megs. Still shocking it. Okay, we're gonna let it do its test, and then we'll go to the next lead. Great meter. Okay, there it goes, stopped. Okay, we're gonna go to another lead, still on ground, and we're gonna shock it. Okay, 0 megs. All right, so compressor is completely grounded. There's no way out of this one. We got to replace the compressor. All right, we just confirmed with the preliminary meter. We got the Subco M500 again, and we have my ideal insulation tester, which is an electrician meter used to test the insulation of the windings or wire, etc., etc. Okay, we stopped. We can go straight to that right there. Okay, without touching anything else, right there. Shock that. 0. Okay, that's it. Completely grounded. We're gonna write this compressor up. So guys, when you're writing up compressors, you're gonna take model, serial number, voltage, amperage, etc. I like to take the line sizes, suction line, discharge line, right there, right there. I like to take the liquid line and get a dryer in there. What else? I like to take the contactor. Information needs to get replaced. You're gonna have to recover the gas. You're gonna have to cut the compressor out, put the new one in, braze with blow nitrogen through it, braze, pressure test, evacuate, charge it back up, change the contactor, and that dryer. All right, that's pretty much it. Simple service call. That's how it gets done. Thanks for watching.